Hey guys, welcome to the solution video. And if you remember, in my previous video I've asked you to create the linear regression model between the price and crime rate. So let's go ahead and first of all put the price over here and crime rate here on the column, and in the analysis say don't aggregate the measure. And as you can see, the price is decreasing when the crime rate is higher. So what we need to do is to create linear regression is go into analytics tab and find this trend line and say linear. And as you can see, we have the negative linear regression where it is saying that in 1000 price is declining by 0.412 or 0.413 in round figure when you multiply it with the crime rate plus 24.0162. So using this equation, you can place the value of CRIM, which is crime rate, and predict when the crime rate is going up or down, what should be the expected value of the house. So that's quickly how you can create it. Also, if I right click and go into the edit trend line and show the confidence band, I will see that confidence band is pretty higher in case of a crime rate when we compare it with the average number of rooms per dwelling. So that's how you can very easily create linear regression, and hope you found the solution useful. And I would, like I mentioned in the previous video, I really encourage you to now look at other variables, create different sheets, give a proper name to this sheet like crime versus price, like this. So CRIME, crime versus price. Similarly, create another one and look at DIS versus price, and try to see when you are going here on this line, you are getting three value: price, R squared, and P value, and try to document the value of R square and see where you are getting the highest R square. Once you get the highest R square, that means that's the most useful variable. So 0.14 we are getting over here, and in case of average number of rooms we are getting 0.48. So 0.48 is definitely better. So that's a better variable than the crime to predict the house prices. So I would really like you experiment with the other variables against the price and find out what you observe.